Hi, and welcome to the International Retro Series. Today, I will bring you back to the year 2009 to the Yogyakarta, Indonesia. I made very interesting trip to the active volcano Merapi. And this trip is dangerous. Follow me.
Number one, I booked very expensive trekking to reach the volcano Merapi, and now it's midnight. We are starting the trip and it's raining like hell. Can't wait, what is happening? This is terrible. Yeah.
Okay, raining stopped finally. It's a 1 a.m. morning. We are now going up to the Mount Merapi. It's totally dark, quiet, silence, beautiful. We have two persons in this trip. Second one is me and the first one is my guide.
My name is Sam.
How are you? Good.
Good.
Can see me?
Yeah.
No?
Good.
Terrible.
Yeah.
It's good?
Good.
And the wreck? Yeah?
Yeah.
Maan korvessa kulkevi lapsen tie. Pimeässä kansa vaeltaa. Trekki about puolesvälissä. So we are now about in a halfway or a little bit over. It's not easy trek, but it's fun and it's a nice experience. So let's go further. No niin, nyt ollaan melkein ylhäällä. Tää on aikamoista trekkaamista. Täällä on näkyvyys on välillä pari metriä, kun on niin kova sumu. Kauhea tuuli. No onneksi ei ole kovin kylmää. Lähtöpaikassa oli 32 astetta lämmintä, nyt on jotain ehkä 10 astetta. Kaikki vaatteet on märät ja housut on revennyt. Mut fiilis on hyvä, että ei tästä pitäisi olla enää pitkä matka ylös. Varmaan viimeinen rastipaikka tässä. Go on. Yes, I made it. 2,955 meters. Mount Merapi, active volcano here in Indonesia. And just now we are waiting for sunrise. It takes about half an hour. Then I can film more and tell more about true stories about this beautiful area. This is very great thing here. Wow, yes. Fiilis täällä on vähän niin kuin olisi jossain kuussa tai jossain, vaikka nyt en ole kuussa kyllä käynytkään, mutta tää on hyvin erikoinen paikka kyllä olla täällä ylhäällä. And one important point, that mountain there is only 3 years old. 2006 Merapi had a very big eruption and this whole mountain came during that eruption, so it's only 3 years old. And the local people are saying 2 years again maximum and next big bang. And it's very hot. And stop here. 1.5 years later after my visit, Merapi erupted again. The place where I'm standing on the video just simply disappeared, explode. The whole mountain lost 40 meters on its height. 353 people lost their lives. 350,000 people lost their homes. I hope Sam and his family survived.
My name is Sam.
Saakelin kuumaa höyryä. Ja kauhea hajusta. Kauhea rikki pölly meininki täällä. Yes, that's Merapi volcano. One more thing about volcano. It's good to remember also that the village back there 15 years ago it rained ash 4 centimeters in 2 hours. So if you have sometimes snow problem in Scandinavia, local people in Indonesia have an ash problem. I think that's much more difficult to clean. Eli tonne kylään on joskus satanut 2 tunnissa vuonna 1994 tuhkaa 4 senttiä 2 tunnissa. Se on oikein mukava yllätys aamulla kun herää, niin on 4 senttiä tuhkaa pihalla. Eikä ehkä kannata unohtaa näitä henkilöautokokoisia kiviä, mitä täällä sitten tietenkin voi sataa joskus. Mission accomplished. Back to the village. 8 hours, 15 minutes trekking. I can tell it's really hard, but the good feeling is now good. And now just having some tea and breakfast and relax. It was very good. And don't try this at home.